Kani kadai kadudashan Meghalaya bani pediang sengbai pi baro syakatuk kubor mentaga janmit. Syuaban pai syiki kubor ki babnia ini pechwa yakimat bakongsan. Anlet yakandu Menteri Rangbak Gejala Ukanrat Sangma ya Menteri Katanat Yadari Urachnat Singh halor kamat ban penkendria yakijat beliau Harijan. Anjurib kesorkan Meghalaya ban yo ikijing thok ki babiang halor ki nong de madan pentikna ban kershan ikijing penkendria jaka ka babiang. Penpau idkhot keken huan menteri bat nong yalam kaseng NPP i Dr. M. Amprin Lengdo yaki benta bakongsan jang kaseng NPP hakasain himasima jang Gejala Meghalaya. Bat rakhi Gejala Meghalaya yakasni seng ka bahan riau poar jang ka civil defense bat home guards. Kikubor ki babnia Menteri Rangbak Gejala Meghalaya Ukonrat Sangma unsalet yakendu ya Menteri Katanat Yadari Urachnat Singh hanong ba New Delhi ban ya phliu jingmut bat halor kaching penkendria jaka syong jaka sa yaki laispa sapo arteli kilong yeng Harijan na yau maulong dakaba pentip syaphanggani Menteri Katanat Penroisor uba sniau bhalang dhar ula penpau bakani kaching yakendu jengki kan salong hakini kisngi ki bansawan ula pentikenaru baka sorkar kala treshitom halor kaching temu penkendria jaka hakaba la debru ban penkre yakaba don kam baro lacar kata ula bancur bakin saleru dekiwe ki rukom ladami kinu kijing aijing mut ki bakhamba ya kajaka na kabenta ban penkendria iki an ia klam kanu kijing sio
with this subject only. Let us wait for some time about the Harijan issue, about the land, defense land, no? So maybe tomorrow they are going to help. I think so in Delhi. CM is to Delhi, so he's planning to meet the defense minister about that defense land, which we had been discussed earlier. So, and at the same time, so we are trying to solve it very positively. So there is slight discussion is this. So we'll wait for some time, then we'll take a final call.
Usambut Menteri Rangbak Gejala Meghalaya ubadai pedru yakatanat penroisor uba sniau bhalang dhar ula pensyai baka sorkar kalayo cingtho badan tang kombahan riu spa hadu nyau spa ngut kinong dia madan kabalong persya ya kecingkam jengkinong mikmat jengkinong dia madan kibala banjur baki don palat ya kasan hajar ngut ula pentikenaru ba onsale ya ki jingcurip benia na kapor syakapor ban pentikna baki don ya ki kot kisla ki babiang da kaba benrap baka sorkar Katreshitom banwanra ya kecing trekam kababha na kabenta ban penkendria ya kinong dia madan. Ula kuburu ba kidangwat ikicaka kibabiang ban penkendria iki dah kababancur ba kicing kren bat kicing trelang kinlong kibenta kibakongsan ban lap ya kicing penbet kibabiang.
If somebody they stop, like somebody ABC come and sit along the road, along the street, along the footpath. That is why we have to regulate properly in such a manner. There will be no disturbance for the people who walk on the footpath or people who move within the crowded area. At least 600, 700 for the register one. There is a record in the office who are the register holder. Yes, it may be more, it may be a little bit beyond the register one, but you have to keep survey from time to time. No? Yeah, they met me, so it's a very good meeting. They request me, sir, please give us a good space. And I told them, don't worry, I'm with you. Please cooperate with the government. We will try to locate a good place for them. So be patient and be with the government together. Yes, you won't be able to get exactly what you want. Now we are trying to locate the new place where to get them. And only when the place is identified, and we will discuss with them which is official vendor, which is not.
Dr. M. Amprin Lengdo ibadai inong yalam bahakmat jongkaseng NPP ila banjur halor kabenta kabakongsan jongkaseng hakasang himasima jongkajala da kababanjur halor kicingkta jongka haka district council bat haka jing senchar ya kajala ila ong bakacing job hakasang pertai hakani kajala kasyong haka jing asan lang bat kaseng NPP ikong Lengdo ila yaro ya kasorkar hapo gajing alam jongkaseng NPP kabalala ban penbej ikimat kibalane Islam bat kabala penyait ru yaki lat ai jing arab yaki pajba kum ka CM connect kabapen pau yaka raikut jongka ban syakri yaki pajba.
We have settled scores which have never been settled for generations. We are trying our best to be people friendly. Where will you find a chief minister humbling himself in unknown territory talking to the public on CM Connect? Have you seen? I am yet to see one. So gimmick of political party is a very strange phenomenon. I don't know whether mantras work forever. But I know every other election, every political party thinks of a new vision, a new catch line. So I'm yet to understand what will be the catch line for the MDC election. But one thing which is constant, you may have any party form an EC in any of the districts. If you don't get the blessings of the NPP, it will be difficult for you to achieve anything. That's the way the politics works.
I Dr. M. Amprin Lengdo ila penremjur yak kenhun lekno Henyautrap National Liberation Council HNLC kabala persyang ban muslia yaki kamsan himasima nasha klau ila ko persyaru ya kani kekenhun ban yashim banta haki kamsan perthai hakajaka ban syupenmi yaki hukum ikong Lengdo ila banjurru halor kecingkiu kabor san perthai jongka seng NPP hakajala Meghalaya barok kawai kabadai nakadaw jongka mensim kan thop lang jongka bat kecingmi khmat nagi jaj ban ria baper.
You can't from the jungle decide on what happens in government. Come and play the elections. Please contest these elections. Come. Be in position while you give your opinions. I mean, what is this diktat? I don't understand what they mean. I have not seen the statement myself. But you cannot continue to be a bogus player again and again. Come to the field. Nothing stops you from contesting any election. Or are you in cohort with some party? Which is this political party that you're supporting? Let us know. May as well tell the people straight then. XYZ group wants to be in combination with XYZ party. I mean, if people didn't vote for the NPP in the MLA, that's not our problem. But you need the numbers in the assembly. I mean, without the numbers, who's saying what? Do not infuse this communal mindset. We have to unite to fight collectively against the oppressor. Do not oppress us further and divide us further.
Kasorkar India bat ke Asian Development Bank ADB kila soy ya kasos skular Shimram kabasan $1 million na kabenta ka projek umbam umdi hapok jala Meghalaya. Kani ka projek katmu ban kampan pha ya kecing penne ya ka umbam umdi na kadaw jeng kecing kta na kecing kala kibor mariang hapok kani ke jala. Kajing ya soy ya kani karam kaya hap bat ke matre kam jeng ke jala Meghalaya ha kabaya day bat ka jong usnem arajar khat khandai da ka ba penne chingmut halo ka jing penne pensa ya ka ya ka seng ka bahan riop ho ar lani ka 62nd Racing Day jangka Civil Defence but Home Guards la rakhi hajala Meghalaya ha kaba menteri Komingwan Ambon ula shim ya ka salute ha gajing ya match pass uba Ambon ula kentu ya kani ka kenhun ban yatri lang bat keyboard badai khmi jangka jala na ka benta ban wanra ya kecing bah ula pentep ru bala dep mangru ya ki caka trei ki badang light thali hapo kani ka kenhun bat ula samru ya kita kama na ka benta ki balala ban trei bha bat ki badai hok ban yo pediang yaki
a new role in which this organization have been building up expertise and training volunteers both in the rural and urban areas to be prepared to face any contingency. And I would advise the department to take active help of various local bodies like the Dorbar, Nokmas, etc. so that capacity building and awareness to face any challenges become widespread.
MLA kapang syati kanong ba Shillong uba Sanbor Shulai ula let churip ya kathan apa lumparing halor kecing temu ban penhe ya kamadan ya lekai chong kani kecaka kecing penhe madan kan kentop ya kamadan football da uplang plastik kamadan futsal bat kecaka cingi uba Shulai ula kerpat ru ya kecing no senyang nakipat ba nakabenta kani kecing temu kaban kentop ru ya ka program thungdiang ha kaba katanat pet klau kan saai khatsan akar kecaka na kabenta kani ke projek.
Tera gila don kajing ya jumut naru mencim stem bangin ya penhe ban pan no biang naga forest ban pelong naga standard ground dengan jaka ban kiwi facilities ban incorporate akan ban include akan ka standard ground ka bandon naga volleyball swimming pool ka basketball kumbolong kiwi state akan notice pada por India boy tenga soban aingu simune ya boro nak lek dorbar senong po jalan pa boleh nak lek dorbar senong jalan sports club jalan pa ya ini pro ki dikot jong ki committee ki jong ki sing thai sing samla ba ni yak persang ban ya ban kerpat ya ka forest department ban ka government ke jongi ba ngilawan ka new proposal lan ka kebatmai ka jeng ai jengbot ka ba ya ka dengan jaka forest da ka bol ngipan lai akar but ngin replace ngin ai pat yaki khatsan akar ya ka forest
Ka Southwest KHASI Hills District Administration ringkat gejingas no ktilang bat ka Meghalaya State Rural Livelihood Society lembat kitanat beper kila penlong ya ka district level financial literacy campaign kam exhibition Harijan arposau hamadan jong ka Yemeni Presbyterian hamau kerwan lawan ban yeshimenta hakani ka program da ki spa ngut kidkhot jong ka self help group da ka jingtmu ban ai jingtep halor ki scheme ki ban yarap ya ka imlang salang bat ki lat jingarap pisa la penong ru ya ke ching ai ching sumar ai bat ke ching bu ya ki basa ki bapen i ya ki mar ching kinong rep kathan bat chong kinong snakti bat kinong sengkam la chong I bi maulong ibade I deputy commissioner ila long I kongsan hakani kasngi
kami kerja di bukan ngiling sukhain perkam kerja subara dari ego long se kesambal mah dari kerja rodi kalun ni kemudian ke bank ke pensiun saya ingat ke jingkit dengan semua tentang kit tiket klien mong hab le jinglek yang siu kerja tak pensiun ros pojar sang jaga dari ke pensiun ke bank yang lakut pernah yang siu menghadap ke bank tinggi benar kata kajing sunti pensiun loan di suapan pensiun loan berada hab sedang sudah kompopin dan bank account. Benda bank account tu kebayar bahan beli tin show tu bisa. Sibu piyo bisa kasi benai Harijan bisa saja jika dihab apla kadut tu bisa. Kiperlang si spa mani benai tok no long pi penjau si drop liberty kat bangkut benai kat bangkut senam dan kat bangkut license san senam kat liberty kat ada.
Ka Tibetan Youth Congress kala penlong ya ka bike rally ka balas dang nadu bom lapas ha Arunachal Pradesh ha gajing cingai ka balong khatsan 1000 kilometer haki arphau tali ki challa changkari kani gajing ya rally katmu ban pensapreng khubor halor kaching pendu pendam ya kariti dastur tenrai chang ka Tibet kaching penjulor ya ka mei mariang bat kaching pan cingkershan na ki we kiri na ka benta kaching light luot chang kinong Tibet kani ka rally ka penpau ya kajing sngongu ya ka India ka bala pen I ya kajing kershan jangka ya ka Tibet
So we started our campaign and today is the 15th day of our campaign and we reach here at the Shillong. We have a 3 major objective. First one is through this campaign, we want to draw the support from India and international community to give a pressure to the Chinese government for their ongoing culture genocide in Tibet. So we are very much concerned with the Chinese, the hardline policy and especially the culture genocide policy which is introduced in Tibet. And second, with this campaign, we will be traveling to more than 20 Indian states. So we will be covering more than 15,000 kilometers. With this, we want to convey a message to the government and people of India. We want to extend our gratitude for the solidarity and support that we received for last more than 6 decades. Meanwhile, we also want to urge Indian parliamentarians to have a resolution in support of saying Tibet was an independent nation and it was illegally occupied by so-called People's Republic of China.
Urang ba Shillong jangka Shillong mau tunuam Ribhoi district uba badhok nong mali ula syak kemno henen kamiet katkum kaching pentip bom la ban ba jamin bala penmi da ka judicial magistrate first class jangka Upia Arunachal Pradesh la kemno yu da kaching asno ktilang bat ki pulit jangka ni kathan ya kadaw ka babyang ompat la ban tip shai bat kaching tokit kadang ya chakmat ha Arunachal Pradesh Kashnat Traikam jangka seng FKJGP na umdu sokwai kala plepat ba ya kecaka Abbas ha kasnong sokwai menta kasni kabatmu ban pensuk ya kalet kawan jangki pat ba kamtam ha kapor slap ya kani ka project labai tingka batlatei de kidkhot jangka FKJGP umdu sokwai uba LD Newton Lengdo ubadai u General Secretary jangka sengkmi FKJGP ulap li patba ya kecaka Abbas balasan ranlang da uba Louis Star Lingdo ubadai u President jangka FKJGP North KHASI Hills District bat kiwe kiriu pau khaman lapen longru ya kani ka program kumshi banta na ka chingpan thamai ya kinong ketkam jangka FKJGP umdu
kalian kasnong sini kre
le kwa ya kum kata ke jeng nama kade ke jaga ka belum ke junction ngila nama pareng ne ka lenti ka belum kebun isnong ji belum le ya jaga apkali nasong tenan ya ka jing tri sitom ke jompi jong ka so khwai undui net ya ka palaman perlong ya ka wei na ka jing kwa jong kini kisan isnong senge habai dei ba kata ka sama apkali ya kentu hiru epi ba omdei tang ban sna ba kan klet no nei pet sumar heka namarlat sna heka haka kerteng jong taseng bat kaseng FKHP haka nu ka jaga ba ka julai bat nu rohat om judai bandon ka daksnio
Kamairang Vidya Jyoti Inclusive Secondary School Sangshong henen kasngi kala rakhe yak International Day for Person with Disability halor kapang pedeng amplifying the leadership of person with disabilities for an inclusive and sustainable future. Additional Deputy Commissioner jangka Eastern West KHASI Hills District ikong VA Hinyota ila lej ban yashim benta hakani ka program kum ikong san ikong Hinyota ila penpau yak ching snokmen baki don ki kena school ki bala pas bah hagi ching puli jangki bat ba kila la ru ban wan phai biang ban hikai hakani ka school hakajuk kapor kinong penya jongkani ka school kila penkup burom yak ki kena school ki bala pas bah haka examen SSLC arajar arpusau.
I'm a CVP. He cannot be done getting persons with disabilities, but he can make way. But in non grateful, able play the gift of life, and let us share our love and kindness to other people. Because in this world, we do need a lot of kindness, especially in today's world. But we will not leverage the reach out to anyway. Today it's time for us to stand up together and help those who are in need.
Mentangin pej ikijing long jingman kasun beneng hanong ba Shillong kajing kriat kalong henriu point saw degree Celsius bat kajing shit kalong kat saw point henriu degree Celsius kajing ngam ka hau kalong nyo phokundai na kishispa men step bat prapo nyo na kishispa janmin kasun beneng kala banrang bat kala ru bandon kajing dum o khandau ka ba malu mala hagi katu kani kichaka Shuaban poi sya kabakut jong katup kubor nginya pej biang sa sisian yakimat bakongsan. Unlike yakandu Menteri Rangba Gejala Ukonrat Sangma, yang Menteri Ketanat Yadari Urajnath Singh halor kamat banpen kendria yakijat benriu Harijan. Pancurip ke Sorkar Meghalaya banyo ikicing tho kibabiang halor kinong di madan. Pentikena ban kersyan ikicing pen kendria jaka kebabiang. Penpau idukot ke Kenhuan Menteri bat nong yalam keseng NPP Dr. M. Ampri Nengdo yaki benta bakongsan jang keseng NPP hakasain himasima jang Gejala Meghalaya. Bat rakhi Gejala Meghalaya yak sengiseng ke bahan DOR jang ke Civil Defence bat Home Guards. Te paralog katungi la poi sya kabakut jang katuk khubor jingi menta gajan miet hadu bangin daya syambiang bat phi la syai kasngi kublai phi baro.